Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Well, happy Mask Monday, ladies. Here it is. Today is a special Mask Monday, ladies, because it is on a Monday, of course, but it's a new month, November 1st. And so, brand spanking new slate. And today I will be using this Pure Dream mask, and I think it's called Carnival Look Eye Gel Mask Sexy Leopard. So if you're interested in seeing how this works, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys had a good weekend and a good month. Like I was saying earlier, it's November 1st and the 1st falls on a Monday. I love when that happens. It's just like super special because I can start a whole new slate, not only for the month, but for the week. Yeah, so it's great. Anyway, so I hope you did have a good weekend anyway. And brand new week, so you guys have a whole 5 days before we settle into the next weekend. And yesterday was Halloween, so I hope you guys had a good time and you guys stay safe. And if you have children, what did you guys do? I'm just curious because I mean there weren't a whole lot of kids around here. Yeah, but okay, anyway, I digress. But before I get into this mask, today is Monday. What do we do every Monday? Yeah, gratitude cards, cultivating a grateful heart, right? Even though I've been using my app lately to look for things, and I do have a gratefulness section in that app, I'm still kind of like, I don't know, old habits die hard, I guess. So I want to go ahead and use this card, okay? Because I haven't gone through the whole box yet. Okay, this one here. Okay, there it is. Okay, it says, gratitude preserves old friendships and procures new. Oh, that's nice. Okay, it's a proverb. Okay, gratitude preserves old friendships and procures new. And definitely, absolutely. I mean, if you're a grateful person, you actually act differently than somebody who's not a grateful person. There's definitely a difference between somebody who is truly grateful and those who are not, right? And then so, friends want to stick with people like that. People that really care and show gratitude towards other people. And also, when you meet somebody new and they sense that in you, you will get true friendships. And of course, along the way, you may, meet people that decide, yeah, I really don't like that person. Have you ever had that where you might have met somebody and you kind of said, I don't know what it is, but I really don't care for that person. Or maybe, they might have said the same to you. I don't know. But the thing is, I do that sometimes. And when I later find out why I didn't really care for them, they weren't very grateful people. And so it was like, okay, that's what it is. I must have sensed it. So anyway, so yeah, look around. And if you want to procure really good friendships and new friendships, be grateful for what you have and for what you have been given an opportunity for. Okay? So, okay, that's that. So let's get into the mask. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get up actually and close the window because I forgot to do that. And I live across the street from the train tracks, and the big trains are coming in now because, of course, our Caltrains aren't running because it's not work time. But yeah, big trains that go across the country and they sound really loud. So yeah, sorry about that. So anyway, Carnival Look Eye Gel Mask Sexy Leopard by Perfume. And I don't know if you remember this, but this was actually sent to me by Leanna Dalton. And she is one of my YouTuber friends, and she was kind enough to send this as a friend mail. And if you haven't seen that video, I can go ahead and drop it below for you. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give this one a try and see how I like it. But let's see what it says about it. Okay. Yep, it says the fabric has elasticity in both the directions, horizontal and vertical, and allows excellent adherence to the curvature of your facial area. And its appearance is very luxurious. Okay, and I guess it's got a pattern on it, right? So it says Color Skin brand is aimed as a sensual, colorful, young sensibility. Carnival Look Eye Gel Mask is an emotional eye zone mask that allows you to feel the joy of coloring while using a gel eye mask. Okay, I wonder, okay, all right. So how do I use this? Thoroughly cleanse and dry your face. Okay, I did that, and I also added toner, which it doesn't say to do that. Open a pouch and remove eye gel mask from the transparent film. Apply eye gel mask to the eye area with the shiny side facing your skin. Press down and smooth out air bubbles, ensuring good contact with skin. So it says wear the mask for 20 to 30 minutes. Ooh, that's a long time. Okay, so alrighty then, let's do this. Okay, again, here it is, and is there a cut? Oh, it's on the other side. Of course. And I gotta move the mask down, otherwise sometimes I will tear it. So it just works like this. Whoops. I didn't just, okay. I kind of messed up opening it, so I gotta open it in another way now. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, this is interesting. I didn't expect it to be this kind of colorful. Look. It does have a slight fragrance, but that's okay. It's very slight. And yeah, and it's interesting. I expected it to be really gooey and juicy and, you know, but it's not. I like this. Wow, this is interesting. Anyway, so how would this go? This would go around my eyes, right? So, like so. And, oh, whoa, this thing's like a sticky. Wow, I can probably wear this for Halloween, guys. And I am filming this on Halloween night, so yeah. Let's see, make sure I have all the pieces. Do I have it? Oh, I see that there. Wow, this is very interesting. I can see why you would wear it for like 20 to 30 minutes. And it is not juicy at all. And actually, there is no, let me see, residue in here at all. It's completely dry, which is nice. Because I think this is unique. And like I said, there is fragrance in here, but it's not bad. I can tolerate it. It doesn't smell like fragrance, like some of the stuff like perfume. It just has like kind of a light smell of, kind of flowery, I guess, right? But not bad at all. But it smells clean. That's what I like. I don't like things that smell really perfumey. So let's just go ahead and leave this on here for 20 minutes. And then what I want to do now is just real quickly, I want to introduce a new giveaway. And I know I already have one out there, and that will be revealed this week. But I want to go ahead and, since it's Mask Monday, I will do a mask giveaway again. And I have a few of them here. I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and use these, but I have a lot of masks that I just recently purchased. Sorry about that. All right. Okay, and so I have like a bunch of them that I can pick from. And I have nice ones from Creme Shop. I have them from, okay. And I have them from my mask club. I even have Pure Lease, but I don't know which combination I'm going to put in the giveaway. But, I mean, at least one of these will be there, okay? But I will go ahead and make several masks and see if I can figure out something else to throw in there with it. But, yeah. So, anyway, the mask giveaway will start at the launch of this video. And I can't promise when I'm going to reveal the winner because, again, I have so much going on that if I say Thursday, I'm like, if I can't do it, then I feel really bad. And so, yeah. It'll be sometime in the upcoming week. It never runs longer than a week, put it that way. So it could be between now and next Monday. So that's when I will reveal the winner. Please, you have to be subscribed as usual. And you have to also like the video. And all the rules will be in the bottom of my details tab. And my giveaway rules are always there. So if you ever want to look back on it, it's there. And once you win, you will have 48 hours to contact me. And also, I need to remind you guys that there are some restrictions on certain countries that I can't send certain things. And if it has any kind of alcohol or things like that, I may not be able to send it. So when you send me the address and you do happen to live in one of those locations, I will have to maybe readjust what I'm sending you. So yeah, that's all I have to say, because I'm telling you I'll be sending like face masks, but if I can't, because if there's a restriction for the chemicals or whatever in there, I may not be able to. And I just want to put that in there because I haven't had that problem with the masks, but I have had that problems with other products where it came back to me or it was never delivered. And those were foreign countries. And it's quite expensive, guys. I mean, you can imagine how much it costs to send something to another country. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's even expensive to send it through the United States nowadays. And for them not to receive it, that's, you know, I get really sad about that. So, yeah, that's that. And so, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just chill out, I guess. And since it's 20-minute mask, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Alrighty, it was very interesting. I find it very sticky, which is interesting. I actually like it because look at this thing. It's in my mouth. Look how sticky this thing is, and it really sticks to your skin. And it's refreshing, it's cool. I wish I would have stuck this in a refrigerator because I bet that would have made it really nice. And I hadn't thought of that because it's been pretty cool here in the last couple of days. So, but yeah, this is what I pulled off. And like I said, look how sticky this thing is. But very interesting. I wish all the masks were that sticky, but yeah, it's okay. And it was kind of cute too. So I did enjoy it. And I wish they would make one with no fragrance at all. But like I said, it is tolerable amount of fragrance in there. So yeah. Anyway, before I let you go, since I did introduce the giveaway, I didn't give you the secret word. Let's make the secret word masks. M-A-S-K-S. Masks, because that's what I'm giving away. Masks. M-A-S-K-S, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you really want to win this giveaway, you must subscribe. So do that by hitting the subscribe button, ringing that bell, and selecting all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good week, a good weekend, a good month. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.